Hi kiddos, it's Mrs. Gershon here. This week we're going to be working with the k sound at the end of our words. You're going to notice some vowel patterns and vowel sounds as we go through looking at the different headers. And then we'll go ahead and do our sort. So let's read our words together. We have kick, bike, shook, duke, strike, sock, truck. Then we have take, sick, shake, spoke, cook, smoke, like. And then we have took, lock, duck, pack, lick, look, and book. So looking at our different patterns this week, our CK at the end of words will normally make our vowel sound say its short name, like in the word kick. You hear the short I, because of the CK at the end. Let's look at one more. Down at the bottom, the word truck, you hear sorry, that's the short U. So because you have the CK at the end also. Next, we have KE to make the K sound at the end of our words, like in the word take. You will notice the KE makes the A say its own name, take. Looking at another word with that same pattern, bike, the I is long, it says its own name, bike. And lastly, we have just a K at the end. You'll notice that our words that have a K at the end have the double O, and we're hearing the sound, like in the word took and in the word shook. You do not have any oddballs this week. All of these words fall under one of those patterns, the CK, the KE, or the K. I'm just going to add here for the CK, you're going to have the short vowel sound. That's a symbol for short. So your vowels will say a short sound. This KE, your vowels will say a long sound. They will say their own name. And then the K, you're going to have your OO. All right, happy sorting.